Good day. I'm so happy to know that you are already connected and you following our videos as well. So we are here again today with grade 7, and today we are based on how to place value and ordering and comparing decimals. So we have the decimal. We talk about decimal when we got the number is separated with a comma. If we have 1 comma something, this is a decimal. Is when we talk about decimal. We talk about decimal as well. It's when we have something divided by 10, because this way 10 in 10 here, this way deci means 10 divided by 10, and this will give us a comma as well. So, and today we're based on how to place value and order and compare decimals. Now we have this number. This is decimal 4,370, and in this number now we must place value. For a reminder, I can remind you that when we were busy placing value the whole number. For example, if we have 57, to place value this 57 in this number, we have units or ones and tens. And 10, if we have another digit here, is 100. If we have another digit here, it can be 2, is 1,000. So to place value this one here, we say that we have 2,000. This number here, we have 2,000 plus how many hundred? We have 100 plus how many tens? We have 5 tens. Then how many units?
7.
We have 7. This is how to place value the whole number. So now here we have decimals. Now we have decimals to place value a decimal number. Let me we start with the first one here. We have 4,370. So with the decimal now, it's the same law, but only this comma will change our way. Because in this number here, we have this number is divided by 2. We have this one is a whole number. We have the whole number here, and here we have what? The decimal part. The decimal part. So now in this number, as you look at this number is divided by 2. Then we will separate this number 3,370, and this part here we will place value this part going to our right, and with the whole number we always start as I show you here. If we have 57 to place value, we always start by our right going to our left. So meaning the last number, the last digit here is our unit, then the next one is our 10. So, and we will apply the same law here as well. So this one here, the first one here is what? Is a unit, and as we have nothing here, that means we have 0, 0, 0. And in this number here, after the comma, we start with after the comma from our right, our left going to our right. So after the comma here, we don't have the units anymore, because decimal means divide by 10. Meaning the first digit here is what? Is our 10, is the 10, and the second digit here is 100, and the third digit here is 1,000. So to place value this one here, this number, we say equal to, we start with the whole number first. We have 4 units plus, now we go after the comma we have 3 tens plus 7 hundreds plus 0,000. So it's how we place value the decimal number. Let us take the second example. We have 54,291. So here we say the same thing with the whole number first. We have units and 10. So we say now we have 5 tens plus 4 units plus 2. Now after the comma we start with the 10, 100 and 1,000. 200 200 plus 9 plus 2 tenths, sorry, 2 tenths plus 900 plus 1000. It's how we place value this number. Now we have another number that is 142,7,631. So in this number here, we can see now here we have units, tenths, and thousand. So I will abbreviate this one for me to have a space. As I don't have a space, we start with, we have 1,000, 100 first. Yes, 100 first. 100 plus 4 tenths plus 2 units plus, now after the comma, the first one, our first digit is 10, 7 tenths plus 600 plus 31 plus 31,000. Plus 31,000. So we can also, another method is to place in the table. In the table is very easy and clear, as this table is, as I drew this table here, I represent this table here. In the middle first we have the comma. All your comma is the same line. After the comma you have 10, and then after that, after the 10 you have 100 and thousands and thousand. Now from your whole number now, this part now, before the comma, you have unit, you have your 10, you have your 100 and your thousand. And we have this number here. This is our comma. And before the comma, we have what? 4. 4. How many units? Is 4. Then we go after the comma. The first digit is what? Is 10. 3. The second one is 100. We have 700. And the third one is 1,000. We have 0,000. And to represent this number, we have 54 as a one number. In this 54, the first digit here we have is a unit. So we represent this unit is 4. And the second digit here, going from our right, going to left, is our tens. Is a tens. Then after the comma, the first digit is what? Is tens. The second digit is 100. We have 900 and 1,000. And we do the same with this one, this last example here. We have 3 digits. So we start with the first digit from our right, going to our left. We have 2 units and 4 tens, then 100. 100. After the comma, we have 700, 7 tens, 600 and 31,000. All this one is 1,000. This is how to place value a decimal number. So we don't place value the decimal number the same as we do with the whole number. No, because in the whole number you just have a number, a normal number like this without a comma. But in a decimal number, we talk about decimal number when you have this whole number, comma, there's another number that starts here. So to place value, you must respect this one here, because this one means divide by 10. So you start first with your, to place value the whole number, starting from your left, going to your right. Then after the comma, you start directly with the tens and you go so forth. Thank you.